In this series over the next few weeks, I will be demonstrating the effects of different sized airburst atomic bombs detonated over major cities around the world. The map will show the following blast rings from a nuclear attack on Washington DC by Russia. These rings are fireball radius, moderate blast radius, thermal radiation radius, light blast radius, as well as estimated fatalities and those that survived but with injuries. The size of the bombs simulated will be 5 megatons, 10 megatons, 15 megatons, 50 megatons, and 100 megatons. In this first demonstration, we will see a 5 megaton bomb airburst over Washington DC. Estimated fatalities would be 979,290 people. Estimated injuries would be 1,435,530 people. Fireball radius would be 1.84 kilometers wide. Moderate blast damage radius would be 12 kilometers wide. Thermal radiation, third degree burns, would be 27.5 kilometers wide. Light blast damage radius would be 33.8 kilometers wide. In the next demonstration, we will see a 10 megaton bomb airburst over Washington DC. Estimated fatalities would be 1,031,270 people. Estimated injuries would be 947,190 people. Fireball radius would be 3.2 kilometers wide. Radiation radius would be 3.4 kilometers wide. Heavy blast damage radius would be 4.75 kilometers wide. Moderate blast damage radius would be 9.9 kilometers wide. Light blast radius would be 25.7 kilometers wide. Thermal radiation third degree burns would be 29.1 kilometers wide. In the next test, we will see a 15 megaton bomb airburst over Washington DC. Estimated fatalities would be 1,176,370 people. Estimated injuries would be 1,042,940 people. Radiation radius would be 3.63 kilometers wide. Fireball radius would be 3.71 kilometers wide. Heavy blast damage radius would be 5.37 kilometers wide. Moderate blast damage radius would be 11.3 kilometers wide. Light blast radius would be 29 kilometers wide. Thermal radiation third degree burns would be 34 kilometers wide. In the next example, we will see a 50 megaton bomb detonated over Washington DC. Estimated fatalities would be 2,261,650 people. Estimated injuries would be 1,661,410 people. Radiation radius would be 3.14 kilometers wide. Fireball radius would be 4.62 kilometers wide. Heavy blast damage radius would be 8.91 kilometers wide. Moderate blast damage radius would be 20.7 kilometers wide. Light blast damage radius would be 54.3 kilometers wide. Thermal radiation radius third degree burns would be 60 kilometers wide. In the final example, we will see a 100 megaton bomb airburst over Washington DC. Estimated fatalities would be 2,572,650 people. Estimated injuries would be 2,900,340 people. The fireball radius would be 6.1 kilometers wide. Moderate blast damage radius would be 32.6 kilometers wide. Thermal radiation, third degree burns, would be 73.7 kilometers wide. Light blast damage radius would be 91.8 kilometers wide. Please subscribe by hitting the button to get new notifications of new posts. Thank you.